Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Scorpios. Scorpios, Page of Cups, Queen of Wands, Temperance, Scorpios, Five of Wands. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are thinking about something a lot. You have many thoughts, you're reflecting about your past, whatever has happened, or maybe some of you all are happy, you are just quiet and meditating. That may also be the energy here, guys. And you are trying to put things in place, guys. You're what to say, you're struggling hard to get success in your professional life or in your personal life. You're trying hard to make something work. You are trying to follow somebody, trying to imitate somebody to attain your goal. That is the kind of energy here, guys. Maybe in this relationship you want to imitate someone to make it work. This person is really interested in you. They are very friendly, they are understanding, and you have a good compatibility in this relationship maybe, and you are striving hard to make it work, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you are just what to say, very cool, casual in this relationship, and your person wants to be serious. They want to go into the serious commitment mode. Maybe this lack of seriousness on your part may be due to some kind of addictions, or what to say, some kind of beliefs, maybe some kind of religious beliefs or something of that sort, that you may be, what to say, your attention is diverted from your person, and you are paying more attention to those habits or those kind of beliefs and ideals you have maybe. So this person, they want you to give up this immaturity and step in with a responsibility, guys, a strong sense of responsibility. That may also be the energy here, Scorpios. But I see a very understanding relationship, but for the time being you are being immature, guys. You what to say, you take everything easily, very casually. So there may be some kind of carelessness also involved in your relationship, guys. So that is the reason why this person feels you have to be more serious hereafter. That may be their energy. This may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy towards you, guys. So some important message may also reach you. Your person may they may come forward with some kind of message or some kind of what to say, suggestion about this relationship and what you need to do. So that may be the energy here, Scorpios. Let us check with few more cards from another deck. Let's see what is coming, Scorpios, for your energies, for the situation, why this person is feeling that you are immature and you're not stepping up to be a responsible person in this relationship. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel today you may be getting a very good opportunity. Something all of a sudden, out of the blue, what you had wished for all along is going to come today, and it is time for you to analyze it and utilize it, guys. So, this may be in your work or in your relationship, some rare opportunities coming up, but these cards also denote some kind of playfulness, childishness in your relationship. Maybe this is a new relationship, this is a fresh start for you all, guys. That may be the reason here. Maybe some of you all are taking up some kind of creative venture, guys, some new activity like painting, art, something like that. And maybe some of you all are starting this relationship, what to say, are into this relationship newly. Okay, you are having a fresh start in this relationship. Maybe that may also be the reason here for these cards, guys. And this person really loves you. There is a good understanding, romance and affection, and a very emotional relationship. That is what I see here, Scorpios, for you all. But some kind of opportunity is coming, guys, and your person is a very, what to say, maybe this person may be a twin flame or a soulmate, guys. So that may also be the reason for these cards, guys. This is a destined connection, and it is time for you to be responsible. Maybe your person wants you to be responsible, or you may want your person to be responsible, guys. And you are having some kind of what to say, happiness or satisfaction in this relationship, because you are feeling the courage and confidence in this relationship, guys. It fulfills your the desires of your heart. You are feeling some kind of completion in this relationship, maybe, and that is why you are so cheerful. Maybe the cheerfulness, maybe your cheerfulness is viewed as immaturity, guys, by the other person. Maybe that may be the reason you're really cheerful, happy for how things are going, and very positive set of cards here, guys. And you are feeling gratified, and for how things are going in your life. You are really happy today, Scorpios. So that is the energy, guys. Let me pick out 3 cards. This is the message card, guys. This is the message what your person wants to tell you. This may be what you feel about your person, or what they feel about you. So let's see what's coming up here, guys. You make me smile. You sound. You and I have so much in common. You love me the way nobody else does. This person feels you are always there for them, through thick and thin, and you understand them well, and you are happy to see them happy, guys. So that is the way they feel about you, or this may be what you feel about your person, guys. You are really happy to be with them. So this, just like I said, this relationship has all that is required for a happy relationship. That love, attraction, and devotion, it's all there, guys. So maybe some kind of playfulness or immaturity may be there, but there is nothing to be what to say, sad about that. it is a happy thing. That may be because your person is very cheerful in this relationship, or you are very cheerful in this relationship, guys. Scorpios, thanks for watching, guys. That is the reading for today. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.